Hello everybody, welcome to Fair Crew. This video is a quick one to just give you guys an update on one of my latest projects, which is Chimera. If you don't know what Chimera is, it's a Discord bot that allows you to remote control your computer. If you want to learn more about that, I already have a video on my channel. I'll have it linked in the end of this video. You should definitely check it out. So this update has to do with me adding the screenshot feature to Chimera. So the code has changed slightly and Chimera now requires your channel ID. So how do you get that? You open up Discord, you open your personal settings, go under the Appearance tab and enable developer mode over here. Then you can close that, and once you're in the server and the channel that you want your bot to connect to, just right click on the text channel and copy ID. And then open up the chimera.py file and go where it says channel ID, and inside the quote marks, just paste your channel ID. And that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you set up Chimera. And again, if you want to learn more about Chimera, you can visit the GitHub page or watch my other video that shows how to set up Chimera from A to Z. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up below and also subscribe for more awesome content. I will see you in the next video.